In the digital age, the significance of mobile devices is indisputable. While the allure of smartphones, with their cutting-edge features, captures many, there remains a distinct charm associated with classic flip phones. It's remarkable that these devices, known for their simplicity, continue to thrive in the market. They resonate deeply with the older generation, emphasizing ease of use for basic communication and as a dependable lifeline during emergencies. Considering the holiday season is approaching, flip phones can be thoughtful gifts for elderly family members. However, selecting the right flip phone can be a daunting task. After thorough research and evaluation, here goes our curated list of the finest flip phones available on the market today. All product links are provided in the video description below. 1. Lively Jitterbug Flip 2. The Lively Jitterbug Flip 2 stands out as the premier choice for seniors seeking a reliable flip phone. Designed specifically with seniors in mind, it addresses several needs such as buttons that are clearly labeled with text rather than ambiguous icons. One of its standout features is the integration of Alexa-powered text messaging, a significant advancement for flip phones. However, some users might feel the absence of dedicated call and end buttons. Priced at $19.99 per month for the starter plan, users receive unlimited calls and texts. Upgrading to the basic plan at $24.99 introduces the urgent response feature, a service offering 24/7 assistance during emergency, and Lively Link, a companion app that allows relatives to monitor location and activity. For those seeking comprehensive support, the premium plan at $34.99 provides access to nurse on call and a care advocate. These plan upgrades not only offer value but also provide invaluable peace of mind to users and their family, aligning closely with the costs of basic smartphone plans. In terms of specifications, the Flip 2 boasts an 8-megapixel camera and 16 GB of built-in storage. Alexa integration elevates the user experience with extensive voice functionality. Additional features such as a built-in flashlight and magnifier further enhance its utility. Moreover, the phone prioritizes accessibility with features like enlarged fonts and a text-to-speech option. 2. Consumer Cellular Verve Snap. The Consumer Cellular Verve Snap emerges as a standout choice for those seeking an affordable flip phone without compromising on essential features. Recognized for its cost-effectiveness, the phone is priced at just $69 or available for a nominal monthly fee of $2 with 0% financing. Offered in sleek black or vibrant red, the Verve Snap provides great value for its price point. A notable highlight of the Verve Snap is its user-centric design. The call and end buttons, colored distinctly in green and red respectively, ensure clarity and minimize confusion, a commendable design choice. The presence of an intuitive SPKR button for speakerphone mode and easily recognizable camera and clear back buttons further underscores its user-friendly design. The inclusion of a favorites button, symbolized by a person, heart icon, adds to its intuitive interface. The device is designed with enhanced user experience in mind. It boasts oversized buttons, ensuring ease of use and minimizing errors during dialing or messaging. Complementing this feature is a prominently large font displayed on the interface, making it effortless for users, especially those with visual impairments, to read text, menus, and other on-screen content. Furthermore, the phone's audio capabilities prioritize user convenience, delivering crisp and clear sound quality for both phone calls and media playback. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 5-megapixel camera capable of recording 720p videos. Additionally, the phone's 8 GB onboard storage can be expanded via the microSD slot, offering flexibility for storing memory. In terms of battery life, the Verve Snap promises up to 14 hours of talk time and 16 days of standby, which, while not exceptional, is adequate for daily use. Charging the device is convenient with its standard USB-C port. While the phone a flip cover design prevents accidental touching, and the phones boast a robust battery for prolonged standby times. They serve as excellent backup phones and are travel-friendly, being 2G GSM unlocked and compatible with GSM networks worldwide. Their minimalist approach ensures safety by reducing the risk of internet-related vulnerability, and their compact, lightweight designs prioritize essential features. 3. Easyfone Prime A1 Pro 4G Flip Phone. The Easyfone Prime A1 Pro 4G Flip Phone stands out as a top choice for users prioritizing simplicity and affordability. True to its name, this device prioritizes ease of use, evident from its large, easily discernible buttons and a prominently placed red block button designed to instantly silence unwanted calls. The phone further enhances user experience with photo-based speed dialing, allowing swift access to contacts with just a glance and a press. Safety is paramount with the Easyfone Prime A1 Pro. Positioned on the rear is an sauce button. A simple 3-second press activates an alarm, initiates a call to the primary emergency contact, and dispatches a text message containing the user's GPS location, a feature invaluable during unforeseen circumstances. A flip cover design prevents accidental touching, and the phones boast a robust 15,000 mAh battery for prolonged standby times. Their minimalist approach ensures safety by reducing the risk of internet-related vulnerability, and their compact, lightweight designs prioritize essential features without unnecessary complexity. Service for the phone is facilitated through a SpeedTalk mobile SIM card included with the device. While leveraging T-Mobile's robust network for calls and texts, SpeedTalk Mobile offers competitively priced plans. Starting at a mere $5 monthly, users receive 100 call minutes and 100 text messages. For those requiring more extensive usage, higher-tier plans are available, with the unlimited offering priced at an economical $9 monthly, making it a budget-friendly choice in the market. 4. Nokia 2780 Flip. With its simple, easy-to-use interface, and with the modern features you need, the Nokia 2780 Flip phone is a modern twist on the classic Flip, now with 4G. With its intuitive design, it already feels familiar. It comes with 2 large screens to make texting easy and seeing who's calling even easier. Rigorously crafted to our high durability standards, this is a phone that's designed to outlast the bumps and knocks of everyday use. Accessibility features on Nokia 2780 Flip include Big Button, hearing aid compatibility, and real-time text to ensure this is a phone for everyone, and the dedicated side button can be programmed to quickly dial a loved one in case of emergency. FM radio and 3.5mm audio jack so you can listen to music wherever you go. Enjoy up to 18 days of standby time from a single charge. Even if you only use your phone once a month, it's ready when you are. And the 7 hours of talk time ensures that you stay connected with friends and family for longer. Use your favorite apps and even browse the internet, all on 4G. VoLTE 4G means all your voice calls will be clearer and in HD quality. Plus, the Nokia 2780 Flip comes with a loudspeaker and adjustable volume as well as a 5MP rear camera. Video recording and playback is also included, for when you want to capture those longer memories. 5. Motorola Razr Plus. For those who cherish the nostalgia of flip phones but desire contemporary features, the Razr Plus offers a compelling proposition. Drawing inspiration from its highly acclaimed predecessor, the Razr Plus showcases a contemporary overhaul, seamlessly transitioning from the familiarity of a compact fold to the expansive real estate of a 3.6 inches vibrant touchscreen upon unfolding. This dynamic display, free from any noticeable seams at the fold, delivers a visually immersive experience. While the Razr Plus bids farewell to traditional physical keypads, it compensates with intuitive touch controls and, notably, integrates Google Assistant. This powerful AI-driven feature empowers users with hands-free navigation, enabling tasks ranging from initiating calls and composing messages to scheduling reminders, all through voice commands. For those hesitant about touchscreen keyboards, the voice dictation feature serves as a convenient alternative. Beyond its communication prowess, the Razr Plus stands tall as a versatile smartphone. Whether it's indulging in ebooks, streaming multimedia content, or engaging on social platforms, this device delivers. However, it's essential to acknowledge its premium positioning in the market, reflecting its flagship status. For enthusiasts yearning for a harmonious blend of past and present in a device, the Razr Plus beckons, even if it necessitates a significant investment.